My name is Kayvan. I'm a YouTuber and photographer. Are you okay if I take some free photos of you?
Oh, yeah, well, yes, it's fine. But you have to pay it or?
No, it's free. It's for free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
Okay, thank you so much. Could you please come here?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. You're really handsome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, a smile, please. Okay, can I take one by one of you? Okay.
It's way better than me.
You're good too. Okay, thank you so much. And from you, please?
Okay.
From you, yes, for sure. And maybe one look at me? Thank you so much. I hope you will have a good day.
Thank you very much.